Hello, welcome to the Behavior Strategies Matrix training. This is the Behavior Strategies Matrix document. This document is split into two sections. You're going to see low-level strategies and high-level strategies. The low-level strategies are used for Tier 1 and Tier 2 behavior support development. The high-level strategies are intensive, function-based strategies that are designed to be used for Tier 3 behavior supports. Let's take a couple of minutes to see how do you read this document and how can you use it. So you're going to see a couple of different columns. The first column is right here is called the strategy column. The strategy just gives you the name of a strategy that can be used. Now right now we're in low-level strategies, so let's just look at the first one. So this strategy's name is behavior contract, right? You might be familiar with these, but maybe you don't know very much about it. So you can move to the right. The second column is going to give you the definition of the strategy. So you can see down here below, it tells you exactly what a behavior contract is. What if you still don't completely understand how to use the strategy? You can move to the next column, which is going to give you an example, right? These are written examples of how the strategy might be used or implemented in the classroom. Even better, the next column to the right gives you video examples. If you click down here on these blue hyperlinks, it's going to take you to YouTube to show you a video example of how to implement and use this strategy. The next column to the right is the intervention type. So this type of intervention is called an individualized reinforcement system. This is just a quick overview of how this document's going to be used. Thank you for listening.